Comparing the speed of Startswith versus in. I was under the impression that Startswith has to be faster than in for the simple reason that in has to do more checks, allows for the word being looked for to be anywhere in the string. But I had my doubts, so I decided to time it. The code for the timings is given below, and as you will probably notice, I haven't done much timing. The code is rather simple. Results. So Startswith is twice as slow. I find this behavior very puzzling given what I said further above. Am I doing something wrong with timing the two, or is it indeed faster? If so, why? Note that the results are very similar, even when they both return false. In this case, in would have to actually traverse the whole sentence in case it simply short-circuited before. If I had to implement the two functions from scratch, it would look something like this. Pseudocode. Starts with. Start comparing the letters of word to the letters of sentence one by one until a word gets depleted, return true. Or B. Check returns false, return false. In. Call starts with for every position where the initial letter of word can be found in sentence. I just don't get it. Just to make it clear, in and starts with are not equivalent. I am just talking about the case where the word one is trying to find has to be the first in a string.
This is due to the fact that you have to look up and invoke a method. In is specialized and leads directly to compare up, calling cmp_outcome, which, in turn, calls pysequence_contains, while str.startswith goes through slower bytecode. Replacing in with __contains__, forcing a function call for that case too, pretty much negates the speed difference. And the timings. In is winning here because of the fact that it doesn't need to go through the whole function call setup and due to the favorable case it's presented with.
You're comparing an operator on strings versus an attribute lookup and a function call. The second one will have a higher overhead, even if the first one takes a long time on a lot of data. Additionally, you're looking for the first word, so if it does match, and will look at just as much data as starts with. To see the difference, you should look at a pessimistic case, no results found, or match at the end of the string.
If you look at bytecode produced by your functions, you'll notice there is much overhead not directly related to string matching. Doing the test on a simpler function will be more reliable.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.